Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Segraves and today we're going to be walking through a very special boat. This is a recent trade-in. It's a Crownline 264 cabin cruiser, so this will have a cabin down below with a head. Our first main focal point of the boat is going to be the aft portion. You will have a swing-back design. So this will lay all the way flat. You can get a reversible seat or a forward-facing seat back. As you move in, you'll have another nice amenities. You'll have a little doggy door that blocks off that aft portion of the boat to the swim platform. Removable cooler with built-in storage. And then you will have a nice little sink area to wash down any dishes or to get some of the fresh water on board. On the opposite side, you will see you have a nice access to your battery switches that is a lockable battery. You'll have a single, and battery 2. Have a nice little settee to the port side that could fit 2, depending on how many people you have on board. And then a beautiful layout on the helm. You'll have your battery switch back there. You'll have your key ignition here. All of your anchor lights, windlass controls on the left side. Garmin display, and then trim tabs and radio on your right-hand side. You look to the front of the boat, you will have a center walk-through with access up to the main part of the bow. Plenty of height in here to walk in. I'm 6'3" and I can walk through. On this boat, you will have your main battery panel right up here on the wall. You'll have your single burner stove, cockpit refrigerator, microwave, a nice little seating area up front that you can put down into your bed. In this boat, you will also have, like I mentioned up top, a little head. If you're interested in this Crownline or any of the other boats we have, please give us a call. Our number is in the link below.